If you have been using Visita Essence B lotion and you feel it's not working for you, I'm going to show you the right way to use it to get your desired result. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the space where I talk about skincare and I do makeup. Okay, feel free to subscribe. It's free, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so I got a lot of complaint about people saying, Trend, what can I do to achieve my desired result? I love Visita B lotion, but it's giving me knuckles, it's giving me stretch mark. And research shows that it may contain hydroquinone, and maybe that is why you're experiencing all of this. I did a video about the soap last year. I'm going to be leaving it for those who have not seen. I'm going to put in it after this particular video. I'm still going to stand by the soap that I love the soap. The soap is super amazing to the skin. It helps your skin to glow. It lightens your skin, or like with the word, it brightens your skin. It's going to give your skin that very unique glow. Trust me, only the soap alone is worth it. You can use the soap and any other cream and you're going to love your skin. So yes, we're talking about the lotion right now, but I'm still going to put the soap video so you can see what I said about it and make your choice or know the right one to choose. This product is made with shea butter, carrot extract, and all of that, but a lot of people said it seems it has hydroquinone because of the knuckles, dark feet, and all of that it gives to them. You want to use something very mild, or you want to make it very mild. The best way to use this for me is to maybe mix it with shea butter. If you're the type that don't like shea butter, you can get any mild lotion that does not brighten or lighten the skin. So lotion like Dove, lotion like Nivea. So what you want to do, you can either mix it, you put more of the Nivea and a little bit of this lotion, rub it together and use. Or you can use your Nivea or your Dove on your skin first and then apply it later on. So the Dove is going to act as a seal, not really a seal, but it's going to make the other one work less. And a safer way to use this to not have knuckles and all of that is to use it at night. Okay, you can have two lotions. You can have either Dove, Vaseline, Nivea, whatever you can use during the day, and at night when you know that there is no sun, because it is the sun, coming in contact with the sun, that is giving you that knuckles. You can be in the house, like everywhere dark, and use this product and you'll see that your skin will be very fine. Yes, another thing you should know is that hydroquinone is a treatment. Okay, it's supposed to help remove dark knuckles, hyperpigmentation from the skin, but when you're using it and you're going under the sun, you're worsening the situation. So it is not meant to be used in a very long term. It is meant for use in a very particular, or let me say a little or a short period of time. When you've achieved your desired goal, you have to stop it. Another thing I always say, especially for people with Caro White, using Caro White, the advice I always give is treat it like a scrub. What you want to do is put the lotion in a little plate, add your sugar, mix it together, use it as a scrub all over your body, scrub your body, and then leave it for 5 minutes and wash off. That 5 minutes has already done the work. You can do this in the evening before you sleep. Do this and then do it like maybe 2 times a week. You're going to see the results. If you use it like 2 times a week as a scrub, maybe one day in the night you can just apply it on your skin, making it 3 times a week. That third day you're not using it as a scrub because you don't want to dry out your skin. So use it as a night cream and apply on your skin. So using it 3 times a week. The rest of the days you're using your normal lotion. That way it's not going to be too active, it's not going to be too harsh on your skin. Even after using it as a scrub, when you come out, rub your normal moisturizer that does not contain any additive or any whitening additive. This is the best way to achieve a very glowing skin with this product. This product, trust me, some people may complain, oh, it's giving me this, it's giving me that. Some other people will be like, it's not even working safe. That's how it is. Everybody's skin differs. It may work for you, it may not work for you, but I like to know, I like to hear from you. If you're using this product, how is it on your skin? Are you experiencing dark knuckles, dark feet, and all of that, sunburn? Let me know in the comments section, and let me know what you did to stop it, or did you stop using this product? Are you doing something different that is helping you, and all of that? Let me know in the comment section. Another thing people forget is to use sunscreen. You cannot be using creams like this and not use your sunscreen. You are causing damage or causing damage to your skin. You need some sort of sunscreen that's going to protect your skin from the harsh UV rays of the sun. Normally, you don't even rub lotion, you don't rub cream, you go out and then you get sunburn. Not to talk of when you're not using all these things. Okay, you cannot start causing more problem for yourself when you're trying to solve a particular problem. So for me, this is the best way you can use this lotion that you can get a glowing skin. It's not a bad lotion, it's a very good and amazing lotion. This lotion glows your skin. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps with dark spots, and it's supposed to even out your skin tone, but people are using it the wrong way. So that's the best way to treat it, either like a scrub, night cream. And guys, don't forget your sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. It's very, 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 very important. It's a very amazing cream if you're using it the right way. If you can use this cream the right way, you're going to love your skin, you're going to enjoy it, and it's something you will want to continue for a very long time. Okay, so here's the video I talked about. I may look different, it's 1 year ago. Enjoy. There are a lot of people that don't like rubbing cream. I, for one, am one of them. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very good soap you can use. In as much as I do not encourage the fact of not using a body lotion, this soap helps to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, brighten up your skin, and while removing dead skin cells from your skin. I'm going to be giving my review on this soap, and I'm going to be talking about 3 of this soap and their special effect they create on the skin. If it's something you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Welcome to the new, the old subscribers. Please don't forget to give this video a like while this video is going on, so that YouTube can push my video to a wider audience. So the product I'm talking about is Visita. I will leave in the pictures for you guys to see. So this is the soap. Yeah, can you see that? So I have this 2 here. I don't have the papaya one, but I have this 2 here. So let's talk about this one first of all. So this is the Visita Essence B Complexion soap. This is the lightening and whitening up, while this is the complexion soap. They are both complexion soap actually. This is the carrot lightening white up. So this one is made with tea tree oil. I will leave in the pictures for you guys, as I said, and this is how it looks like in there. You can see I'm using it already. This is how it looks like in there, and it smells really nice. It smells almost like lemon, so it has a very nice smell. Tea tree oil is very good when it comes to clearing your skin from acne, from dark spots, from blemishes, from fading dark scars as well, age spots, freckles, and then skin discoloration. It helps to even out the skin tone, and this product is also made with a lightening ingredient that's going to help gradually brighten your skin. Like I said, it contains tea tree oil, which is an antibacterial, and then also an ingredient called ketoconazole, which is an antifungal. So it helps to treat the skin, it helps with body odor, it helps with skin rash, dry skin, oily skin, eczema, and then fungi on the skin. So that's what this tea tree is for. It helps to exfoliate the skin, it helps to lighten the skin, it helps to heal and prevent the skin from having acne and pimples. So next we have the one with carrot. I love this one so much. One thing you should know is that carrot tends to glow the skin. Okay, so this carrot contains carrot oil, which contains beta carotene, and beta carotene helps to maintain the skin, helps to glow the skin, helps to heal the skin, reduce the sign of aging, stress, and stress from the UV rays of the sun as well. It also contains vitamin E and carrot extract. So this tends to help to glow the skin, helps to even out the skin tone, tends to heal the skin from hyperpigmentation, protect the skin from sunburn, and then protect your skin from the sun. And then it also helps to lighten sunburn. This soap smells so good and it feels really glowing on the skin. Trust me, when you're using this soap, you know your skin is clean and it foams really well. It's also going to brighten your skin gradually. The next one is the papaya. So papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps to eliminate dark spots. One thing about papaya is that papaya whitens the skin really well. It's a natural ingredient that helps to whiten the skin very fast but naturally, and this can be used for dark knuckles, dark knees, dark feet. If you're having dark elbows and all that, it is very good in exfoliating or removing the darkness on the toughest parts of the body. So this one is going to whiten your skin gradually. I will not really say gradually because I know papaya is a very fast action fruit, or will I call it a plant or an extract? Yeah, so it is very fast and it smells like papaya. I think the problem I have with it is just the smell, because I don't like the smell of papaya, but yeah, it does an amazing job. One thing these products have in common is the fact that they all have a natural ingredient. They are made with natural ingredients, natural oils, that's going to help not only heal, maintain, glow, lighten and brighten up the skin, giving you an even skin tone. So this product is super amazing and it is really affordable to get. So you can decide to pick any one, whichever one you want. Like for me, I use the tea tree on my face and I go in with the carrots on my body. The fact is that tea tree is very good when it comes to the skin, when it comes to the face, especially because of acne and all that. I'm not saying carrot isn't, because carrot contains antioxidants as well, which is going to help prevent your skin from all those. But yeah, I have opened the Visita tea tree. I have not yet opened the carrots, but I've used the carrot the first time, which is why I'm bringing it to you guys, because if it's not good, I'm going to tell you guys it is not good. But trust me, it is super amazing. I used the carrot before I went back and I ran and I got those two. Okay, I had to go buy because where I bought it from is really hard. Once their product is finished, it's hard to see another one, so I just rushed and bought those two and I'm loving it very well. If you're using this, leave your comment below so that we can know. Tell us what you feel about it. It's really hydrating to the skin. Like I said, I don't really like using lotion, but I'm going to start trying with my Dove. Yes, I'm going to start trying, and let's know. Let's leave your comment down below. Let's talk about it. If you're using it, what do you feel about it? If you've not tried it, this is something I would really want you guys to try. There's no reaction in it. I just see my skin glowing, and my skin, you know, it's even a little bit brighter than it used to be. And this is something with natural products. Like when I'm making my black soap, these are dry ingredients I tend to incorporate. I have videos on how to make papaya powder, carrot. These are things that glow the skin, that make the skin brighter, and they are all natural. So if it's something you want to try out, I would encourage you to try it out. Trust me, try it and come back and thank me later. The best way to use this soap is using it twice a day. I have always said that the best way to use this soap is apply it. If you're using it for your face, apply it on your face, massage for over a minute, and then rinse off. That way it's going to do the work. You're going to let it penetrate in the skin, thereby making it to do the work. Also, your body, when you rub this or you sponge your body with this soap, let it just sit for some seconds and then rinse off. This product also has the body lotion, and if you want to try it out as well, you know, you can give it a try. For a fact, I know that this soap is very good, and so the lotion. So if you're having problems like acne, eczema and all that on your skin, I would say go for the tea tree. If you're having problem, or if you want to glow your skin, I would say go for the carrot. If you want to brighten your skin way extra, go for the papaya. These soaps help to brighten the skin gradually, and they contain really natural ingredients. You can see the extracts used in them. These are natural extracts that gradually tends to brighten the skin, well, except for the papaya. Like I said, papaya works really fast. And one thing you should know about the papaya is that a lot of people tend to get allergic to papaya, so make sure if you're reacting to it, you should stop using it immediately. Okay, so that's why there are various ones. In case somebody, there are some people also that react to tea tree. Okay, so know the one, or know what your skin reacts to. If your skin reacts to the tea tree, don't use that. If your skin reacts to papaya, don't use that. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. One thing about liking this video is the fact that YouTube is going to push my video to a wider audience. So it doesn't take anything, just click on the like button. I love you guys.